When your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. It fell into a pond.
Do I like this?
Oh, no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are cake. Oh, so cake. They are No, not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. That's the way that they play. It's Mother will see the oh, what would she say? No fear of this mess,
said the cat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle until your laptop opens and you are asked to disengage.